I'm going to talk about the eyebrows. Women, they get their eyebrows shaped. Again, personal preference when it comes to guys. Sometimes when your eyebrows are meeting in the center, the famous unibrow, you want to get that separated. Gives better contour to the face. But basic principles on eyebrows is to keep them clean. As you get older, your hair becomes a little bit more coarse. You may have a wiry eyebrow out of place. But also, you want to be very careful when you trim your brows. I have seen it where guys have clipped themselves a little bit, and that area of the face constantly bleeds. Tough to stop the bleeding once you cut your brow. But I suggest personally that's something you do at your barbers or at your hairstylists. Let them do your brows. To do it at home, if you want to learn, you're going to grab a very small tooth comb and a scissor. You're going to use the comb to bring the hair out and then just trim the brow. For me, some people will take a straight razor or razor blade to kind of clean the brow up on the top. For me personally though, once you start that process, it's something that you're going to have to continually do, just like your beard. Once you cut into it, you're going to constantly have to do it. So if it were me, I would just go see my professional and I would make the decisions there.